Assalamu alaikum students. I am your computer teacher Ms. Shanila Daudpota. Today I am going to start the chapter number 1, Introduction to Computers, and my today's topic is History and Development of Computers. Today we use computers in every field of life because today's computers do much more than simply addition. But the thing is, where did today's technology come from and where is its origin? To fully understand and appreciate the impact of computers in our lives, it is important to understand their evolution. So today I have decided to teach you about the early computing machines and their inventors. The first device which I will discuss is abacus. This is a picture of an abacus. It is the first calculating device and invented about the 5,000 years ago in China. It is rectangular frame having a vertical or horizontal wires containing the number of beads. Beads move across these wires to aid in subtract the numbers. Another device, Napier bones. This is a picture of Napier bones, and Napier bones was invented by John Napier in 1670s. This device consists of 11 bones or rods. Numbers are marked on them. By placing these rods side by side, it could be used to multiply and divide the numbers. Slide rule. These are the pictures of slide rules. It is invented by William Oughtred in 1622. Slide rule consists of movable rulers placed. These two rulers you can see placed side by side, and by sliding these rulers, you can see these rulers. By sliding these rulers, one can quickly multiply and divide the numbers. Pascaline or Pascal's calculator. In 1940, Blaise Pascal, the 18-year-old son of a French tax collector, started developing a device to help his father with his duties to aid the sums of money. पास्कल जो था एक 18 साल का लड़का था जो अपने फादर की हेल्प करता था टैक्स कलेक्ट करने के लिए. उसके फादर जो थे एक फ्रेंच मैन थे जो टैक्स कलेक्ट करते थे. तो 1640 से पास्कल ने ये काम स्टार्ट किया, लेकिन उसे एहसास हुआ कोई ऐसा डिवाइस होना चाहिए जिसके थ्रू वो अपने फादर की हेल्प कर सके और इस काम को आसान बना सके, मनी काउंटिंग को. तो in 1642, Blaise Pascal invented the first operating model, a numerical wheel calculator called the Pascaline. And this brass rectangular box consists of 6 to 8 dials or wheels to 8 numbers up to 8 characters long. Multiplication division operations were implemented by performing a series of addition or subtraction. Means basically it was designed for the addition, but for the multiplication division they use a series of addition and subtraction. And here the subtraction were performed by using the complement techniques. Leibniz calculator. These are the pictures of Leibniz calculator. Gottfried Leibniz invented the Leibniz calculator in 1694. It used wheels and dials. Again, here in this device also the wheels were used to aid and subtract the numbers, but it could also multiply and divide the numbers. आपने पास्कल के बारे में पढ़ा था कि वो सिर्फ ऐड कर सकता था, मल्टीप्लिकेशन और डिवीजन के लिए उससे सीरीज ऑफ कैलकुलेशन करनी पड़ती थी और सब्ट्रैक्शन जो है वो कॉम्प्लीमेंट की टेक्निक यूज़ करके करता था. लेकिन ये वन स्टेप हायर था. ठीक है, this was the awaited breakthrough step ahead of addition and subtraction towards advanced calculation, because वो एडिशन कर सकता था लेकिन ये एडिशन, सब्ट्रैक्शन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन, डिवीजन ये सारे ऑपरेशंस कर सकता था. Arthometers. Arthometers in 1820, Charles Xavier Thomas T. Colmar invented the arthometer. They could perform the four basic mathematical operations, means plus, minus, multiply, and divide. It is widely used until the First World War, means up to 1914. Babbage difference engine. As long as the computers consist of only the gears and levers, its potential use was limited. A new machine needed to be developed. So the Charles Babbage started the real beginning of computers as we know them today. However, with an English mathematician, Professor Charles Babbage. That's why he's credited as the true father of computing. Means we also call he's also known as the father of computing. In 1822, Charles Babbage proposed a machine to perform differential equations called a difference engine. It was powered by steam. This was powered by steam. Okay, and it could perform the calculations, and it could print the results automatically. Babbage analytical engine. This is a picture of analytical engine. After 10 years of Babbage proposed more general purpose computers called analytical engine. It has storage capacity, it has ability to process instructions. पंच कार्ड्स वर यूज टू गिव इंस्ट्रक्शंस. इससे पहले जो आपने मशीन्स पढ़ी वो सिर्फ मैन्युअली ऑपरेट होती थी और बनी हुई होती थी व्हील्स की और डायल्स की, लेकिन ये इस पहली मशीन थी जो एक स्टेप हायर था, जिनको आज के कंप्यूटर्स जो हम यूज़ करते थे उनके लिए ये इसमें स्टोरेज कैपेसिटी थी, ये इंस्ट्रक्शंस प्रोसेस कर सकती थी, ये डेटा सेव कर सकती थी. पंच कार्ड्स वर यूज्ड टू गिव द इंस्ट्रक्शंस. Hollerith tabulating machine. This is Hollerith tabulating machine. In 1890, Herman Hollerith developed a tabulating machine. Punch cards were used to give instructions and store data. It was used to count census data. This introduced the concept of storage devices into the evolution of computers.